Spelling, page 83. Write a spelling word that rhymes with the underlined words in the sentence. The blank can float in the moat. Use the picture to help you. The boat. Number 2. My blank bunny likes days that are sunny. Look at your spelling list to help you. Funny. My funny bunny likes days that are sunny. Number 3. The goat ate my blank and my note. What is he eating in this picture? Right, a coat. The goat ate my coat and my note. Number 4. The crow can blank to the show. What can he do? The crow can go to the show. Joe doesn't know how to row. Number 6. Oh blank, he is going too slow. Oh no, he is going too slow.